fairness is required. Tell to the examiner if statutory scheme, if there was a right of appeal is available, low procedural fairness is required. If no right of appeal is available, high procedural fairness is required. But in a given scenario, NCA in NCA exam, example of NCA exam, right of appeal is available, low procedural fairness is required. That's it. Number 3, write it down. Room number 3, step number 3, importance of the decision to individual. Importance of the decision to individual. Importance of the decision. Just 10 minutes, we're gonna go for break. Just for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we're gonna go for break. Because almost finished. Whole procedure is finished. Last year, 65% marks from procedural fairness. 65 marks. So we have done at least 50 marks we have done today. Almost we have done. We have to, okay, anyway. Importance of that decision. Importance of the decision of who is making a decision? Who is making a decision? Importance of the decision. Who is making a decision? Admin body. To individual. In Canada, every decision is very important. In Canada, for example, if you're gonna fail in NCA exam, importance of the decision to individual is not important. Very important. Deputation order. Very important. Fire from the job. Very important. Bread and butter. Okay. Okay. And just 1 second. Neha, I'm busy in a class. Call me after 7 o'clock. Thanks. Call me after 7 o'clock. I'm taking a class. Thanks. Okay. You got it? So what happened? I'll give you one real example. What happened? Singh versus Minister of Immigration Board. Singh versus Minister of Immigration Board. There was a deputation order. There was a deputation order. So judge said, you know what? Importance of the decision to individual is very important decision because Mr. Singh life was threatening. If you're gonna send it back to his country, highly chances he would be killed. Section 7 of the Charter of Rights is engaged. His life would be infringed. His liberty to live in Canada is going to be infringed. His security, mental torture. You know, deputation order. There was some religious issue in 1984. After that, case was after that, right? So, importance of the decision, okay, is very important, right? Every decision, if you are fired from the job, decision is very important. What happened? Khan versus University of Ottawa. What happened in Khan versus University of Ottawa? What happened? My name is Khan. Computer guys, I need your eye contact. Judge is here. My name is Khan, Miss Khan. I'm telling to the judge. Judge, you know what? Importance of the decision to individual. My case is very important. You already, there was a precedent. Yes. Precedent. There was a precedent in Mr. Singh case. My name is Khan. There was a precedent. You said the importance of the decision was very important. This is the same case. What happened in Khan case? Khan case, what happened in Khan case? Khan versus University of Ottawa. She was fail in one exam. Miss Khan was fail in one exam in University of Ottawa. She said, okay, after writing her paper, okay, there was an envelope. According to the Khan, she has written 4 pages. After the 4 pages, where is the envelope? This is envelope. Okay, this is envelope. According to Miss Khan, envelope 4 pages are there. When she was failed, she looked at only 3 pages are there. So she said, you know what? I have written 4 pages. Where is my 4th page? So examiner told, no, there are only 3 pages. So Khan said, no, there are 4 pages. If there was a 4 page was there, I was passed because I was failed only for 4 or 5 marks. But in my last page, if you read my last page, 100% I was passed. So finally, final decision of the University of Ottawa, he availed right of appeal. Still, she was failed. So Miss Khan is going to court against the decision of the University of Ottawa. Room number three, she said, you know, importance of the decision to individual. She said, she's telling to the judge, importance of in Singh case. My case is as serious as Mr. Singh case. What do you think? Miss Khan case and Mr. Singh case is the same.
No.
So judge said, hey, Miss Khan, what are exact wording of the judges? Exact wording of the judge. Miss Khan, you are telling your case is as serious as Mr. Singh case. Mr. Singh, his life is going to be in highly chances. He would be killed in his back home. You're gonna killed if you are fail in one exam, only one exam, you will be killed. Your life is going to be infringed. No, your liberty is going to be infringed. Only how much money you gonna lose. Exact wording of the judge. Maximum $4,000. That's it. Maximum 4 months. You are behind. Only for 4 months. That's it. You cannot compare. But, huh?
You cannot compare.
Absolutely, you cannot compare. But your case is also very serious. But your case is also very serious. In Canada, every case is very serious. There was a one real example. My real uncle, he came from my back home. He was 80 years old. In our back home, we always love children. Okay, we always, child, for example, I'm 80 years old, even not 80 years old. Oh, he's so cute, you know, so cute. We always love. But in Canada, it's a harassment. It's serious case. What happened? My uncle came last year, a couple of years ago. He was 80 years old, so he was sitting in the ground. He was in the ground. Lot of cute children was there. He picked up 2 or 3 children, put it here. And he was, oh, you are so cute. You are so cute. Right after half an hour, police were called. Police said, what are you doing? You know what? It's a harassment. It's a sexual harassment. It's a very serious case. My uncle called me. I told police officer, you know what? He came from my back home. In my back home, he knew police officer. In some countries, they love children. So I said, you know what? I'm so sorry. He said, it's a serious issue. Your uncle can be charged for sexually harassment. It's a criminal case. Never ever do that. So I really do. You know what? Behalf of my uncle, he came from my back home. In my back home, we have a different procedure. Next time he will not go. But case is very serious. Point to be noted, in Canada, every case is very serious. Okay, if police, okay, your wife, I'm your husband. We start argument. If you're gonna call 911, police is here. If even in front of the police, if I'm gonna say, you know what, I will kill you. In my back home, people always, you know what, I will kill you. 100 times I said, I never kill even a one, even चूंटी को kill नहीं किया. चूंट, not even a sparrow, right? So, but we always call, you know what, I'm gonna kill you, I'm gonna break your legs. If you're gonna say in front of the police, if you're gonna say I'm gonna kill you, threat to kill, criminally charged. In Canada, point to be noted, every case is very serious. It's a bread and butter. The point to be noted, every case is very serious. Now I'm lengthy kari ja raha hu. Okay, don't worry about it. Last 5 minutes. Okay, last 5 minutes. Just okay. The fourth step is legitimate expectations. Write it down. Legitimate expectations.